it's me Janice and welcome. Hi everyone, it's me Janice and welcome to Marina's vlog. And for this video, I'm gonna show you how I did activate my screen recording using my Huawei Y9 2019. Since I got a problem with activating my screen recording again, I've been searching it online on how to activate it again, but I still have a problem because they said that you have to pull out the notification panel on your screen, but I can't find the screen recording. Actually, this problem started when I made changes on my settings. So I can find the solutions. I tried to search on YouTube the answers, but I can't find it. But there's this someone who said that you have to reset your phone. So I did reset my phone, and that's the start that I can use my screen recording again. So I will show you in this video the steps how I made it. So simple. So let's start. So guys, the first thing that you have to do to activate your screen recording again on your Huawei Y9 2019 is to go to your settings, and then you scroll it down, and the next is you have to press the system down there below. Then after that, reset, find the word reset. But before you have to proceed on resetting your phone, make sure that you already back up your files, restore it to some clouds or Google Drive or wherever you want, or you have to transfer everything because it will delete everything that already there on your phone. So I already did mine. So we have to press the reset phone. Then that's it. As you can see here, this will erase data from your device, everything. Accounts, application data, system settings, installed apps, music, photos, and etc. I will not press the reset phone here because I already did reset it yesterday. And then it will be restart again. And this phone will ask you your phone number and everything. You're done resetting it. You can see this screen recording on your notification panel on your screen. You have to pull it down. As you can see here, there's this screen recorder. If I will press it, it will end this screen. It's really simple. But before, when I made changes on my settings, I can't find the screen recorder here, so that's why I decided to reset my phone. So I hope it helps.
I met you, I forgot just why I left you. I was insane.
So that's it. Thank you for watching my next vlog. If you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you. God bless.